Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and I'm up here at John's Garage in Youngsville, North Carolina, not far from my house. And he works on a lot of custom cars and all, and does some stuff for them, keeps them running and stuff. And he's telling me this is a 51 Chevrolet pickup truck, and you can see somebody's instead of chrome in the grill probably was painted originally, and they did it in black. It looks pretty good in the bumper too. Don't look bad at all. This car, the truck has been repainted. And looks like they've purchased another one of these Chevrolet hood emblems. That one looks awful nice. Even the chrome around it. Well, I do see a little bit of scratches here, but still a nice looking bezel. Nice looking wheels and tires on it. Now he says it's in his shop that has some electrical work done on it. It's a restoration that's not completed yet. You can still see the vent glass is a little messed up, so there's still some things that need to be done to it. So they've done a lot to it though, an awful lot. Yeah, I need to put a headliner in it, and it's probably fix the steering wheel. Pretty neat little old truck. Probably got a 3 with a granny low, 4-speed with a granny low, more than likely. Seeing a whole bunch of pedals there, folks. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pedals. I could drive that, look. Good Lord. I'm just kidding, I could drive it. And we got to get the bed put in it still. These old trucks now, they had the wooden beds in them, wooden floors with the metal strips. Pretty neat little truck. The paint job is really nice on this. I don't know if that's a factory color or not, but it sure looks good. We did the same thing with the back bumper, got it painted black. I think that's nice. I like the way they did that. The running boards are black. 51 Chevy. This is a good looking truck. This is what they call the 5-window, I believe. Am I right, folks? Walk on up here into this thick grass here. Get some ticks. And you pan down the other side there. Pretty neat old split windshield. When did they do away with the split windshields? Laminated safety glass. Look at that. Teeny tiny wipers on it. Alright folks, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hit that like button for me if you will. Hit that subscribe button. The like button helps YouTube when the video gets a lot of likes. It moves up to the top of the food chain, so to speak. More people can see the video, so I'd appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. And you're welcome to share this video. I'm gonna move on to do some more cars while I'm here. Folks, take care, and I'll see you later.